I've got one of the most thoughtful boyfriends for our first Valentine's. In fact, he made me like this rose that was inside of a glass box with all these fairy lights and this beautiful written message, and I accidentally pushed it off the table. It shattered and it broke my heart and I feel so bad. And then for my birthday this year, he actually handmade me a ballet bar as a surprise on top of getting me presents and cooking me dinner. So I figured I would do a little Easter egg scavenger hunt for him. So the first year that we were dating, we actually did like a little Easter egg hunt. So I have these eggs still left over in this little basket that they came in. So I'm going to do a scavenger hunt, and hopefully by the time he gets home, because he's been away all weekend, hopefully by the time he gets home, the dog doesn't find them all before him. So I've done a lot of scavenger hunts in my day, and usually what I do is I just Google prompts and then I write it out myself and cut up the little piece of paper, either tape it somewhere to the next clue, or I'm going to tape it on the eggs. So for the egg presents, I didn't like splurge or anything. It's pretty simple. I just got a Kinder Surprise for the golden egg, and for the rest of the eggs, I'm just going to put in some chocolate eggs and some mini eggs maybe. I'll probably just put in the chocolate eggs and then put these at the very end as like the final present. And I also have some Tootsie Rolls. Also got one of our favorite bottles of wine, so I'll put that as the end present for tonight. And I thought about doing like the end present being, you get a coupon to hang out with me, because what better gift than to hang out with me? Okay, update, he just texted me that he's leaving in 15 minutes and he's about an hour away, so I have plenty of time. I'm gonna start stuffing these eggs with some of these eggs. Okay, if you hear the cat, I locked her outside because I don't want her to get into all this stuff, because I know that she will. I also figured I'd do something for Easter, because we didn't do anything for Easter last year, I don't think, but the year before we did this egg hunt, and we're actually missing Easter this year. Oh my God, there's still an egg in this one. Ew. This is from like 3 years ago. I don't know how good that one is still, but I'm not gonna risk it. But we're actually missing Easter this year because we're going to the Olivia Rodrigo Guts tour. Got concert tickets for that, so. Well, I guess I'm not using that one either. Guys, I'm not good at this stuff. So I ran out of chocolate eggs. I'm just like cutting up Tootsie Rolls and putting them in here, but they still have a little bit of the stem, don't worry, but I took the majority of the stem off, but that's okay. Okay, so I've got all the eggs filled. I'm gonna put this bag of mini eggs in the prize bucket. I have like 3 bags of mini eggs. I think I bought some and my mom bought us some. And then I'm going to put a bottle of wine in this as well. Moment for the book. One of my students gave this to me. Love it. But I'm going to write some prompts for said scavenger hunt. Okay, so I just finished all of the prompts. I'm gonna tape them to some eggs and then go hide them around. And I totally forgot the order, but that's okay. I numbered them this time. Last time I did a scavenger hunt, I did not number them, so I did not know the order. And I just had to kind of make it up as I went. I'm just gonna like tape it like that. So I totally didn't mean to do this, but I only made 14 prompts, and that's exactly how many of the big eggs I had, and the little eggs that just have a singular egg, I couldn't fit those little prompts on anyway, so I'm just gonna dump it in the prize basket, and let's go hide these. Okay, so I know this one's totally plain sight, but it's the first one, so you have to find the first one in plain sight. So the first one says, this is something in your kitchen, meat, milk, and yogurt. It does hold. The reason you put them in is because it keeps them cold. Oh, number 2 then has to go in the fridge. So this is number 2. So honestly, it was really, really fun organizing this and hiding everything. And I think my love language is honestly gift giving. And this was a really fun and budget friendly thing to do. So if you're looking for a fun activity to do together or a date night option, I would highly recommend a scavenger hunt or this kind of egg hunt. I ended up making the last prize a date night with me. You could obviously change the things. You could put like a bottle of champagne or something, or a little gift that you splurged on. But like I said, this was a really fun activity and something that we haven't done since we were younger. So it was something different than just like going out for a dinner date or buying each other a gift. It was really interactive and it allowed us to spend time together. I got to laugh at his inability to solve some of the clues, and overall it was really fun.
I did.
And you win a date with?
Jasmine. Jasssome on TikTok.
Good job.